Let's meet Encik Buniandi. He is a resident individual taxpayer in Malaysia who works as a freelance software consultant. Since he operates his business under a sole proprietorship, he is responsible for reporting all of his business income and expenses in his personal income tax return.
This issue begins on 15 December 2025 when the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia, or IRBM, issued Encik Muniandi a Form JA, also known as a Notice of Additional Assessment for the year of assessment 2024. This means IRBM believes that the tax originally reported by the taxpayer was incorrect and additional tax is now payable.
Why did IRBM issue the additional assessment? During the tax audit, the tax officer rejected Encik Muniandi's 40,000 ringgit claim for business, travelling and entertainment expenses because he failed to provide supporting documents such as invoices, receipts or travel logbooks. Under Malaysian tax law, taxpayer must keep sufficient records to prove that the expenses claimed are genuine and incurred for business purpose. The audit also uncovered a more serious issue. Encik Muniandi had deliberately failed to declare 30,000 ringgit of consultancy income received in a foreign bank account. He believed that because the money was kept offshore, IRBM would never discover it. However, deliberately hiding taxable income may constitute tax evasion and can result in serious legal consequences.
If Encik Muniandi disagrees with the additional assessment, he has the legal right to file an appeal under Section 991 of the Income Tax Act 1967. To do so, he must submit Form Q within 30 days from the date Form JA was served. The appeal is addressed to the Special Commissioners of Income Tax or SCIT, but it must first be submitted to the Director General of Inland Revenue through the IRBM branch that issued the assessment.
If Encik Muniandi is unable to submit Form Q within the 30-day deadline because he was hospitalized, the Income Tax Act provides a solution. Under Section 100 Subsection 1, he may apply for an extension of time by submitting Form N in duplicate together with supporting evidence, such as medical certificates, to show that he had a reasonable excuse for the delay.
Finally, the deliberate concealment of Rm 30,000 of consultancy income is a serious offence under the Income Tax Act 1967. Under Section 114, Subsection 1, any person who willfully evades or assists in evading tax may be prosecuted. Section 114, Subsection 2 further provides that the taxpayer is presumed to have intended to evade tax unless he can prove otherwise. If convicted, Encik Muniandi may face a fine ranging from 1,000 to 20,000, imprisonment for up to 3 years or both. In addition, he may also be required to pay a special penalty equal to 3 times the amount of tax that was undercharged.